Have you ever finished a meal and felt heavier than you should? Not full in a good way, just heavy, bloated, a little foggy. Or woken up in the morning and thought, I should have more energy than this. Many of us have quietly accepted these things as normal, as just how it is. But what if they weren't? What if the way you feel, your energy, your digestion, your immunity, could be genuinely, lastingly different? And what if the path there started not with a supplement or a program, but right here in your own kitchen? Welcome to Good Gut Feeling. I'm so glad you're here. This is a space where we explore the magic of fermentation and what it means to truly nourish and listen to your body. My name's Daniel, and for years, I'd been fascinated by something that most people walk past every day without a second thought. The quiet, ancient intelligence of fermentation. My own journey started exactly where yours might be starting now, with a desire to feel better, to understand what my body was actually asking for, to connect more deeply with the food on my plate, and with what that food was doing inside me. This channel is built around three things I believe in deeply: fermentation, organic nutrition, and mindful eating. Fermentation is where we begin, because fermented foods are among the most powerful, most ancient, and most misunderstood tools we have for supporting our gut health. And the beautiful thing? You can make them yourself, at home, with simple ingredients and a little patience. We'll make sauerkraut together, crisp, tangy, and full of the kind of live bacteria your gut genuinely thrives on. We'll explore kimchi, sourdough, milk kefir, water kefir, kombucha, and more. Each one a little different, each one extraordinary in its own way. But we won't just make things. We'll understand them. Because I believe that when you understand why something works, what's actually happening inside that jar, inside your gut, the whole process becomes something entirely different. It becomes fascinating. It becomes yours. We'll explore the science of probiotics and prebiotics, the good bacteria and the fiber that feeds them. We'll look at how the gut microbiome connects to your immune system, your energy, your mood, and your long-term health. Not as abstract science, but as something alive and present in every meal you make. And alongside fermentation, we'll talk about the ingredients we use: organic, local, and seasonal. Because the quality of what goes in shapes everything that comes out, in the jar and in your body. The philosophy here is simple. We don't add restrictions, we add goodness. One jar, one batch, one small and loving choice at a time. This isn't about following a perfect diet or living by someone else's rules. It's about cultivating a relationship with your food that feels genuinely good, that nourishes you, that you actually want to return to day after day. We embrace sustainable habits. We try to reduce waste. We choose ingredients that are good for us and for the world around us. Not out of obligation, but because it feels right. Because it matters. By learning these skills and understanding the why behind them, you are doing something genuinely powerful. You're taking care of yourself from the inside out. So what can you expect here? Easy to follow step-by-step recipes for every skill level. Whether you've never fermented anything in your life, or you already have a shelf full of jars, there is something here for you. Clear explanations of the science, not overwhelming, not dumbed down. Just honest, curious exploration of how things work and why they matter. Troubleshooting guidance. Because fermentation is a living process, and sometimes living things surprise you. When they do, I'll be here. And a community of people who are on the same journey, who are curious, who are learning, who are finding their way back to food that actually nourishes them. If any of this resonates with you, if some part of you is ready to feel better, to understand your body more deeply, to bring something ancient and alive back into your kitchen, then I am so glad you found your way here. This is a journey of discovery, of flavor, of genuine, lasting well-being. And I would love for you to be part of it. If this resonated with you, I'd be so grateful if you liked this video and subscribed to my channel. Every click helps this little community grow. And the more we grow, the more we can explore together. Thank you so much for being here. Until next time, take good care of yourself, inside and out.